In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for strategic planning and goal setting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first step is accessing the Template Center. Begin by logging into your Monday.com workspace. Once you're in, look for the Add New button, usually found prominently in your workspace. Click on it and a menu will open up. From there, select the option that says Start with Template. This will take you to the Template Center. Next, you need to select a template that'll suit your strategic planning needs. In the Template Center, you'll see a search bar where you can type in a planning-related keyword, such as strategic planning. As you type, you'll see various templates appear that relate to your keyword. Browse through these options, review the template previews, and when you find one that you think will work for your goals, go ahead and click on Use Template to create a new board. Now that you have your template set up, it's time to explore different views. At the top of your board, you'll notice a couple of view options. First, let's look at the Gantt view. Clicking on this will provide you with a visual representation of your timeline, showing you any dependencies and overlaps. It's a great way to get a clear picture of how all your projects fit together. If that's not entirely what you need, you can switch to the Cards view. This layout offers a more visual column-based format, which is ideal for status tracking. Don't hesitate to return to the main table, as this view will serve as your central hub for data entry. With your views explored, it's time to input and customize your data. Start by defining your initiatives. To do this, just click on an item to name your key initiatives. Something like Win 5 New Business Accounts works well. This clarity helps everyone understand what the priorities are. Next, you'll want to set phases and alignment for each initiative. Move across the columns and select the project phase that corresponds to your initiative, then indicate if the goal is currently active. Additionally, choose which strategic objective each goal aligns with. This helps in ensuring everything you're planning ties back to your larger strategy. As you detail your goals, fill in specific fields for crafting SMART goals. This acronym stands for Specific, Measurable, Achievable, Relevant, and Time-bound, and using it ensures your goals are clearly defined and actionable. You can also adjust the priority level for each goal to indicate importance, selecting from categorizations like medium or high. Finally, set a status for your initiatives, which can be something like Need Support, or whatever accurately reflects where you are in your planning process. And that's how you harness the power of Monday.com for strategic planning and goal setting. Remember that the clarity and organization you achieve in this platform will significantly enhance your team's ability to stay aligned with your strategic goals. So go ahead, implement these steps, and find yourself more organized and focused on achieving your objectives. Happy planning!